This is Sam. He's a greater Swiss Mountain Dog. He's probably 100 pounds. So he is going to try out as companion to Samson, the whale. Yeah. 80 pounds of slamming and banging around. Yeah. So right now, I'm just going to let Sam hang out in here, and he's going to stay in his crate. He doesn't know it yet, but he's going to take a nap. Yeah. Okay? We'll just ignore that. All right. You're a good boy. I'll give you some cookies now, okay? Yeah. What? This is what I just want. Are you a good boy? Yes, Sam, a good boy. Oh, he said, you rub my back right there between my shoulder blades. Oh, man, that is good. Okay. Good quiet. Excellent quiet. I think that deserves a cookie. But I have to put the camera away. Well, good quiet. Okay.